In this question, you have to match the different trophic levels of a grassland ecosystem given under column 1 to the respective organisms that occupy this trophic level given under column 2. Now, grassland ecosystems are terrestrial ecosystems which are characterized by vast stretches of grasses and herbaceous plants with few trees or shrubs. And these ecosystems support a diverse array of organisms across different trophic levels. The first trophic level, that is T1, consists of the primary producers. Here, these are mainly grasses, and they serve as the foundation of the food chain by converting sunlight into energy through the process of photosynthesis. The second trophic level, T2, comprises herbivores that directly feed on the primary consumers. So, in this grassland ecosystem, the examples of herbivores can be rabbits. The third trophic level, T3, consists of primary carnivores or secondary consumers that feed on the herbivores. So, in this case, crows may prey on rabbits. The fourth trophic level, that is T4, includes secondary carnivores or tertiary consumers that feed on the primary consumers. And in this case, the examples can be vultures. Hence, A matches with 2, B matches with 3, C matches with 4, and D matches with 1. Thus, the correct answer is option C.